Imagine this. You're sitting in class, struggling to follow the discussion. You understand the words, but speaking up, that's the hard part. Every essay, every exam, every presentation. It all feels overwhelming. But what if you had a personal AI tutor always ready to practice with you? Always patient and always available. In this video, I'm sharing 5 genius ways to use ChatGPT's Advanced Voice Mode that will supercharge your English skills. And trust me, these aren't just any study tips. And you won't believe what number 3 can do for you. What if learning English felt more like a game than a chore? Well, with ChatGPT, it can. Here's how to turn AI into your own personal challenge coach. For challenge number 1, let's turn ChatGPT into our own personal vocabulary coach. So to make this happen, all you have to do is give ChatGPT a list of vocabulary words that you're interested in learning. And then ask ChatGPT Voice to either quiz you on those vocabulary words, or better, ask ChatGPT to describe each word, and then you have to guess which word it is. It looks something like this. We're going to play a vocabulary guessing game for Chapter 3. So I want you to ask me each word, but describe them in a riddle, and I'll try to guess them. Are you ready?
Give you a riddle-style clue for each Chapter 3 vocabulary word, and you try to guess it. If you're stuck, I can give you a hint or an example. Let's begin. All right, here's the first one. I'm a place you can live, but not your own. You pay each month, but it's not alone. No house or mansion, just a smaller space. Guess what I am? What's this place?
It's an apartment.
You got it. Nice start. All right, here comes the next one.
For the second challenge, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to have ChatGPT give us the word, and then we're going to provide a student-friendly definition. This forces us to use synonyms and creative descriptions. Both are great for fluency. Play another vocabulary game using the words from Chapter 3. You give me a word, and then what I will do is try to give you a definition in my own words. Let's play.
Great. I love this game. All right, here's your word, deodorant. Your turn. What does it mean in your own words?
Deodorant is something that you put under your arms so you don't want to stink when you're sweating.
Yes, that's a solid definition. It keeps you from smelling bad when you sweat. All right, next word, take vitamins.
For our final challenge, we're going to play a little rapid-fire Q&A. We're going to ask ChatGPT to ask us questions, but only give us 5 seconds to answer. Because quick thinking equals better fluency. I want you to ask me random questions about baseball and give me 5 seconds to answer. If I don't answer, give me a hint. And when I do answer, let me know how I did. Let's start.
All right, let's start. First question. Who holds the record for the most career home runs in Major League Baseball?
Is that Mark McGwire?
Not quite. Think of someone who played for the Giants. Any guesses?
Hank Aaron?
Close. It's Barry Bonds. Ready for the next one?
Okay. The next way to use ChatGPT for English practice is debate mode. You know that debates aren't just used in law class, they're in every subject. So why not use ChatGPT to practice debating? But here's the twist. Ask ChatGPT to debate with you, but every few minutes, it forces you to switch sides. It looks something like this. I want you to debate with me. I want you to choose a simple, random topic. And after a minute, I want you to force me to switch sides. Let's start.
Sure. Let's debate whether books are better than movies. You argue for books, and I'll argue for movies. Ready?
I'm ready.
Go.
Okay, so books are a lot better than movies because you get to use your imagination. Also, the books always have more specific details, so you can get to know the characters a lot better. What do you think?
Movies are better because they bring stories to life visually, with stunning visuals and soundtracks that enhance the experience. Movies also allow for shared experiences with others.
Yeah,
Now,
I get that, but I disagree because you can share a book with someone, like in a book club. And I also believe that your imagination is so much better than what anyone can put on a screen.
That's a good point. But movies can capture emotions through actors' performances and music in a way that's hard to match with just text. Plus, movies can be more accessible to people who might not have time to read.
This method forces you to think critically, structure your arguments, and most importantly, speak confidently in English. The final and my favorite way to use ChatGPT Advanced Voice for practicing your English is to turn ChatGPT into a real-life role-play simulator. Imagine practicing English in real-life situations without the pressure of real people. ChatGPT Advanced Voice Mode lets you simulate real-world interactions, from handling a difficult customer to leading a team meeting. Here's how to turn ChatGPT into a real-world English simulator. Let's say you work in hospitality or customer service. You can ask ChatGPT to be an angry customer, and you have to solve their problem. I'm going to be an angry customer at a hotel, and I'm going to be the desk clerk who tries to solve your problem. I want you to have lots of feeling.
All right, here we go. Excuse me, I've been waiting over an hour for my room, and this is absolutely unacceptable. What are you going to do about it?
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. We're very backed up right now. We're very short-staffed. Unfortunately, a lot of staff quit today, but I'll do my best. If you have a seat there, I'll have someone bring you a coffee.
A coffee? That's not going to fix this. I need my room now. I've had a long day, and this is the last thing I need. What else can you do?
I'm very, very sorry, sir. We just don't have any other rooms. But what I can do is I can talk to my manager, and maybe we can get you a discount on the room you have now.
A discount would be a start. Please do that.
So instead of just listening to English, you're experiencing real-world English with ChatGPT. And the best part, you can do this anywhere, anytime, without the fear of judgment. Let me know down in the comments which simulation you'd like to try. So there you have it, 5 genius ways to practice English with ChatGPT Advanced Voice Mode. These aren't just random chat exercises. These will make you a better, more confident English speaker. And if you'd like this video, you'll definitely like this one.